आप रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही हो. Too much fun.
Yeah, I mean, real life, I think it's a reality TV show, so आपको real रहना है अगर आपको आगे तक जाना है. Colombo's War और क्या क्या पूछा था उन लोगों
Distance
ने.
कितना है बीच में.
हाँ, क्या है ये?
Luck important था.
ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा है कि मैं फाइनेंस में नहीं जाएगा यार. मेरा बेइज्जती हो जाता वहाँ पे. I got like a private education from a very good school and उसकी वजह से I became like I'm this intelligent or smart जो आप लोग कहते हो.
Hello everyone, welcome to Filmy Beat. मैं हूँ हेशा चीमा और इस अलायंस इंटरव्यू के लिए आई थिंक आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि उनको शो में देख के मुझे बड़ा मजा आया था. आई थॉट ही वाज रियली चिल एंड ऐसी रियल पर्सनालिटीज के साथ बैठ के बात करने में हमेशा मजा आता है. सो आगू, welcome to Filmy Beat.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah.
You know, you're such a fun personality and मैं ये अटेस्ट कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि इसके पहले मैंने आपके अभी 1-2 इंटरव्यूज देखे. आप रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही हो. Too much fun.
Yeah, I mean, real life, I think it's a reality TV show, so आपको real रहना है अगर आपको आगे तक जाना है. तो बस मैं real रह रहा था और like I didn't, मेरा फायदा हो गया उससे.
You know, आगू मैं अक्सर कहती हूँ ये सबको कि the only 2 languages I speak very well is Hindi and English. उससे ज़्यादा मैं अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाती. अपनी खुद की लैंग्वेज भी नहीं बोल पाती हूँ. बट आई हैव टू
खुद की लैंग्वेज
पंजाबी.
पंजाबी हो.
टूटा फूटा पंजाबी निकलता है.
मैंने पंजाबी ना होती है.
See, Agu speaks better Punjabi than when I do, I think. ये, you know, I have understood one thing, Agu, and मुझे ये जानना है आपसे. Were you a very intelligent kid in school? You're great at mathematics, जो मैंने अलायंस में देखा है. और मैंने कभी सोचा कि अगर मैं ऐसे रियलिटी में शो में हूँ, मैं कभी ये मैथ नहीं कर पाऊँ और इतना स्ट्रेंथ और दिमाग साथ में लगाना. And you know, your knack for learning languages. Like, were you a geek in school?
Maybe you can say maybe geek. Yeah, I was a bookworm. I always used to. So first of all, thanks to my father for putting us in a very good school. I got like a private education from a very good school, and उसकी वजह से I became like I'm this intelligent or smart जो आप लोग कहते हो. Honestly, like क्योंकि जो स्कूल जो मैं गए थे, I did maths, I had mathematics, and I had further mathematics. So I had 2 different courses of mathematics. So mathematics, solving equations, I just love solving equations. We love it. And you know, सच में वो टास्क करने के बाद मेरे लिए तो I'm very honestly वो मैथ सॉल्व करने में दिमाग में तो शायद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं और फास्ट कर सकता था द मेंटल मैथ्स. बहुत जब आए अंदर घर के अंदर और सब इतना तारीफ कर रहे थे. मैं कहा क्या हो रहा है कि मतलब ये लोग सब दम है क्या.
क्योंकि फिनाले टास्क में मिनी अली उनको तो कोड समझ ही नहीं आ रहे थे. काफी लोग, रूही को तो सबसे ज्यादा नहीं आ रहे थे.
वो तो किसको समझ आया यार.
किसी को भी नहीं आया.
That was very the clues were come on yeah guys. The Colombo's War और क्या क्या पूछा था उन लोगों ने.
कितना है
हाँ क्या है ये. ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा है कि मैं फाइनेंस में नहीं जाएगा यार. मेरा बेइज्जती हो जाता वहाँ पे. क्या ठीक है. I left before semi-finals but like हाँ वही ना कि I thank my father for sending me to a great school. I always came top 3 in my class.
Yes.
I was always top 3. Yeah, my college I came out in my first class. I studied pharmacy also.
Wow.
So I have always been like yeah, ठीक ठाक यार.
बहुत cool लगा वो देख के, you know. I feel a man who's built and who's also intelligent is a great combination.
Okay.
I was like, oh, you're getting compliments, but you know मुझे ये बताओ, since your Hindi is good, ये मैंने भी गूगल किया ये तो मैं पहले ही बता देती हूँ. क्या आपको अलायंस का हिंदी वर्ड पता है?
अलायंस का हिंदी वर्ड.
हाँ.
अलायंस जोड़ी.
कैन से पार्टनरशिप जोड़ी. हाँ बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ.
मैं 5 वर्ड्स आए थे, मैंने गूगल किए क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता थे.
अच्छा.
हाँ, और
क्या
उन्होंने एक तो आया है अलायंस में मित्रता.
हाँ, that's like friendship.
Yeah, friendship. And then there were a couple of other words also जिसका मुझे इस शो से तो relevant नहीं दिखा. But that's why I was like ठीक है चलो मित्रता and partnership बोल सकते हैं. But partnership को हिंदी क्या बोलेंगे?
वही तो मेरा जोड़ी ना.
जोड़ी. हाँ ठीक है.
I think that works better for alliance जोड़ी.
मुझे बताओ जो शो में alliances थे उसमें से जो there are many people who you met for the first time उसमें से
I met everyone for the first time except Vanshaj.
Vanshaj. Oh okay. उनको आप पहले से जानते थे.
Yeah, okay, I knew Kashish also.
हाँ, because we were very happy to meet.
Yeah, बाद में आई थी. Kashish और Vanshaj पहले से जानता था और बाकी I met them in the house for the first time.
So anything that translated from you know real to real alliance?
एक तो बहुत लोग मैं तो
रूही।
उनको जानता भी नहीं हूँ. I don't know who they are. Like I honestly I got to know Soil Bhai in the house. क्योंकि this Salman Bhai. And you see, my mom was his ex-wife. Daisy Shah, I got to know she was in J-Hope. Pehले I don't know. Zaid Darbar, I also don't know. I got to know. I know his brother, Avesh Darbar. Nidhi Taylor, I had no idea. Kushal Tana. Basically, I had no idea who anybody
Anyone.
was. It's not even that I have seen any of the material before. मैं उनकी materials भी देखा ही नहीं कभी. So it was all new for me. I didn't know what they were in the outside world, except for, of course, Soil Bhai. I knew Nikhil Chinappa because I had like seen Rodi's auditions. इसके अलावा I was lost in the house. कोई रील टू रील नहीं, कुछ है ही नहीं ऐसा कुछ. बस मेरा बहुत अच्छा जोड़ी हुआ रूही के साथ, Ali B. Me, Rui, Ali, Bali, for us, I think we have a very core friendship that's going to go for a very long time. Rui, too, I think Rui is going to be a lifelong friend for me. Like, yeah.
बहुत अच्छा
Ali
लगा
B,
वो देख के।
but like, yeah, I'm very sure about Rui.
You know, Agu, I have to say this to you, तब तो नहीं बोल पाई, but now I can tell you in person. When I saw you in the first season of Latent, I had a lot of fun. You know, and now second season is back with Samay. Would you do it again if you were asked to come on the show?
Yeah, I'm shooting next tomorrow.
What are you
Yeah,
saying?
I'm shooting next tomorrow. I, Samay, Balraj, and two guests that you'll guess. I can't reveal it, obviously.
Of course.
But yeah, I'm shooting. I actually shot one already. But you know, he shoots a lot of material and then he picks which one faces. Now it's on Netflix, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. So I think that episode we shot earlier won't go live, but I'm shooting the second one for the second season. And I hope it comes out great.
Yeah, we are very excited to watch that as well because आपका sense of humor बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah, I think it's just I just have to just keep speaking. लोगों को हंसी आ जाता है जब मैं बोलता हूँ. Because I'm like, oh wow, this is funny.
Yeah, that's true. That's what's happening. अब वो Instagram पे तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा छा गए हो. आपको तो ये बात बहुत जन आके बोल भी रहे हैं. But और reality shows के doors and avenues भी अब खुल जाएंगे आपके लिए, I'm sure.
Yeah, by
And
yourself.
acting भी कर रहे हैं आप. तो अब what is the plan? Like, has Agu made a roadmap कि आगे क्या करना है? Now that Alliance is also over.
Cut. Then I mean, I just came out. It's been what? It's not been what 4-5 days we came out. अभी वैसा कुछ road plan नहीं है. अभी we're just soaking everything in. जैसे काम आते रहेंगे ना तो काम तो करेंगे. I want to do Big Boss. I so badly want to do Katru Kilari. I really want to do Katru Kilari because I feel I'm made for it.
Yeah.
These two reality TV shows I want to do. And yeah, I have interest in acting also. I'll keep acting. I mean, even I have interest in music.
Oh.
Yeah, I have a song that I recorded. Now I have to like make the music video also, and I'm going to release it. So jahan like I feel like I'm an artist. So I just whatever art form I feel comfortable with. I think as an artist, you should always try every art form.
Yeah.
So that is what I'm trying. I'm trying everything. I'm seeing where I turn out good in because this is not my forte. Like entertainment was not what I chose initially. I chose pharmacy. I studied pharmacy, right? It happened by accident and happens and I'm good at it, right?
Yeah.
And now I'm just trying to see, okay, where am I better at? मैं कहाँ और अच्छा कर सकता हूँ? तो मैं सब चीज़ try कर रहा हूँ. मैं जब मैंने ये alliance चुना था, I don't see reality TV shows. I've never seen any reality TV show. I don't know how it works. I have no idea कि VDs ये सब चीज़. So it was all a learning process for me. I went into the house. That is why I'm very grateful I met Ali. People think I just follow him, but like he's fucking 9 years older than me. वो 9 साल मुझसे बड़ा है, ठीक है? So I seem like an elder brother, and like he has an experience of reality TV shows, right? I was learning from him कि ये लड़ने से अच्छा मैं सीख लेता हूँ ना, ताकि जब मैं दोबारा करूँगा ना तो मैं और अच्छा करूँगा.
Correct.
Why should I try to shine in the first reality TV show for no reason? Like, why should I fight with him, right?
Yeah.
So I was learning from him, and like he took me as a younger brother also, and I like that. So I learned a lot from him, and I know, okay, now when I go to my next show, what to do and what not to do.
True.
So everything just is happening for a reason, I feel. Yeah.
But अभी safe to say all good in the hood with Kushal and Daisy and everybody. अभी सब ठीक है.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I feel everything. See, even when we fight in the arenas also, मैंने कुशाल को एक बार मैंने उनको गाली भी दिया, मुझे याद भी नहीं है. Honestly, when he came to me and he said, आपने ऐसे ऐसे बोला in the house, I was like, really? And I told him sorry because like मैं सब चीज़ arena पे छोड़ देता. I leave everything in the arena. I come back to the house. I told him sorry. We came out of the house. I think everyone should be chill. When कुछ लोग अभी भी वो गेम पे अटक गया और मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं उनसे बात करना लाइक थोड़ा कम कर दूंगा क्योंकि लाइक I think we are done with it. We know
हाँ.
who's won. I think everyone should just take this as a learning phase कि okay मैंने ये किया, मैं ये नहीं करना चाहिए. But like अगर बार-बार आप मेरे पास आ रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो कि ये आपको करना ही चाहिए था, ये आपको करना ही चाहिए था, क्या वो हो गया ना, it's gone ना.
Correct.
I think we should just leave it there and like everyone should just be friends, be civil with everyone at least. मैं जो सिविल हूँ सबके साथ, मेरा दोस्त, मुझे पता है कि मेरा दोस्त कौन है, मेरा acquaintance कौन है, मेरा दुश्मन कौन है, जो मुंह पे हंसता है, वो पीठ पीछे जाके कुछ और बोलता है. But like I'm chill with everybody.
Love it. But Agu, thank you. My time is up with you. I wish मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर पाती आपसे, but good energy and had a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
इंटरव्यू की बात करेंगे.
अरे done for sure. Thank you so much, Agu, for your time.
Welcome.
Thank you.